guys, it's Miss Deborah from the Mount Holly branch. Today we're going to talk all about weather science. So have you ever been in a storm and it felt like the hairs on your arms stood up? We're going to find out exactly why. So first you take a regular balloon and blow it up. So I tried this on my own hair. See how soft it is? You may never see it soft like that again, but it didn't work because I put anti-static stuff in my hair and anti-frizz stuff because I always keep it crunchy like you guys say, right? So we're gonna see, our lovely librarian, Miss Mary, has kindly allowed me to use her beautiful hair to do static electricity. All right, folks, here goes nothing. Thank you, Miss Mary. Miss Mary, can you say hi?
Hi, y'all. It's getting...
Ooh, it's getting there. She's gonna have a raw head by the time we're done. Look at that.
There we go.
Oh my gosh, cool, huh? Thanks, Miss Mary, for doing that for us. We really appreciate it. So why does this happen? First of all, on your hair, it happens because of static electricity. When you rub the balloon on your hair, you're covering it with little negative charges, and they want to repel against each other. They try to get as far away from each other as they can. So why does this happen when there is a storm? The negative base of the lightning clouds repels electrons in your hair, and that causes the ends that are positively attached to be attracted to the clouds. So if you feel that happening during a storm, now you'll know why. So we talked a little bit about a storm. What's a kind of storm where everything twists and twists and twists? A tornado. So here's how we're going to try to make a tornado in this bottle. We're going to add just a little bit of dish detergent, just a drop or two, and a tiny bit of food coloring. This time, let's go with green. And you spin as fast as you can. And you can see we've made our own tornado. You can remake it over and over again, and you could add a little bit of vinegar like we talked about with the other one. And the more you shake it, the more you can see your very own tornado. You guys saw that my tornado spun pretty well from just the rotation of my hand. But what makes a real tornado? It's when warm, humid air collides with cold, dry air, and there's an updraft that begins to rotate if winds vary sharply in speed or direction. As it's rotating, it's called a mesocycle, and it draws more warm air from the moving thunderstorm, and its rotation and speed increases. Have you guys ever seen like a little tornado funnel outside with trash in it? Yeah, I hope you guys haven't seen a real one, but I bet you've seen it on TV. If you're interested in learning about weather, before we do our last experiment, I want to show you some books that we have. We have some really great nonfiction. If you're looking for something a little bit older, say you're an older student watching this, we have the National Audubon Society First Field Guide to Weather, and it goes into a little more detail. Maybe you guys have thought about being a meteorologist. Maybe you just want to know a little bit more. This is a much older version. We have the National Geographic Kids Guide to Weather that's much younger. And you can see that this one is a great reader. It's a pre-reader or reader level 1. So that might be one that you guys are interested in. And we have the Scholastic Discover More Weather book that's more in the middle of those two. Great images. Yeah, you might really enjoy checking out, getting some up-to-the-minute information about what happens. Eyewitness accounts from around the globe. This one's great. And then Little Kids First Big Book of Weather is also by National Geographic Kids. And you can see some great information in here. So you guys, this is in the nonfiction area. The ones I just showed you are from the 551.5s in our children's nonfiction. And if you like those or want different ones, we can request you as many weather books as you're interested in. Are you ready for our very last science experiment? We are going to show you how you can create your own rain. If you take just a clear cup and fill it up with water, and then you're going to shake some shaving cream and make a little layer on top. So that represents our clouds, right? And this is going to represent our water droplets. I'm just going to put all kinds of food coloring, and we're going to see how this plays out to make our very own little rainstorm. see some is going down. When the colored drops, which represent our water droplets, get too heavy, gravity pulls them down through the clouds as rain, and that's how you see a rainstorm. I'm going to let this keep dropping and let you guys see some more while we talk about it. So I hope you guys have enjoyed learning all about weather science. All right, folks, so here's our final rainstorm. They've started to break free with all the colors I put in. Hope you guys enjoyed weather science, and I hope you practice more at home. Have a great day, and we'll see you later at the Mount Holly Library. Bye, guys.